Good morning everyone. Welcome to BG Senior Secondary School online classes. So today we will start new chapter, that is factors and multiples. So firstly I am going to write what is the definition of factors. Okay. Factors. What is the definition of factors? When a number divides another number exactly, when a number divides another number exactly, when a number divides another number exactly, then the divisor is called when a number divides another number exactly, then the divisor is called a factor of the dividend. Is called a factor of the dividend. Okay, this is the definition of factor. When a number divides another number exactly, then the divisor is called a factor of dividend. Okay, suppose I am going to write an example. You know students, 6 divides 18 exactly. Okay, so here we can say 6 is a factor of 18. Okay, we can say 6 is a factor of, hence 6 is a factor of 18. Okay students, so I am going to tell you some questions of exercise 19. So first question is this, exercise 19. First question, first A. Is 7 a factor of 63? Is 7 a factor of 63? So dear students, firstly we have to check that 63 is divisible by 7 or not. So you can easily find that 7 9 are 63. It means 63 is completely divisible by 7. So you have to write here yes. What you have to write here? Yes. Only you have to write here yes. Next, I am going to tell you C. First C is this. Is 9 a factor of 91? Is 9 a factor of 91? So students, you can easily find that 91 is not divisible by 9. 91 is not divisible by 9. So you can say no. 9 is not factor of 91. So like this you can do first question. Okay. Now I am going to tell you question number 2. Now I am going to take question number 2. Question number 2 is this. Find all the factors of okay. A is 42. So you have to check by which number it is divisible. So from 1 how many times it will go? 42. From 1 how many times it will go? 42 times. Okay. And from 2 it will go or not? It will be divisible or not? Yes, it is divisible by 2. How many times? So you can check by divide 21 times it will go. Okay. Next, by 3 it will go or not? Yes. By 4? No, by 4 it is not divisible. By 5? No. By 6? So it is divisible. So you can write here all the factors of 42 equal to 1, 2, 3, 6, 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, 14, 21 and 42. 7, 14, 21 and 42. Okay, students. Like this, you can solve question number 2. And 3 both. Okay. Now I am going to tell you question number 4. What is question number 4? Question number 4 is this. Check by division method whether 6 is a factor of 96 or not. Check by division method whether 6 is a factor of 1296. Okay. So simply you have to divide it. Okay. I am going to solve this. So simply you have to divide here by 6. How many times will go? 6 to the 12. Next number 9 will go down here. 6 1 ja 6, 9 and 6 3. Now again 6 will be noted down here. 6 6 ja 36. Okay. So division you have to show in the copy. So hence you can write here hence 6 is a factor of 1296. How it is? Because the remainder is 0, it is completely divisible by 6. There is no any remainder, so that's why 6 is a factor of 1296. Like this you can do question number 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. In all the questions you have to show the divide. Okay beta. Now I am going to tell you question number 12. What is question number 12? Write the smallest and largest factors of 21. Write the smallest and largest factors of 21. Okay. So in this question beta there is no need to solve, only you have to write the direct answers. So you have to write here smallest factor of 21 equal to 1. किसी भी नंबर का स्मॉलेस्ट फैक्टर बेटा 1 होगा और लार्जेस्ट फैक्टर वही नंबर होगा. सो लार्जेस्ट फैक्टर विल बी लार्जेस्ट फैक्टर इक्वल टू लार्जेस्ट फैक्टर ऑफ 21 इक्वल टू 21. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, फाइंड द HCF ऑफ. नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू टेल यू. Now I am going to tell you question number 13. What is question number 13? Find the HCF of. Find the HCF of. So first is 8 and 12. Okay. So firstly you have to write here factors of 8. So what will be factors of 8? 1, 2, 4, and 8. Okay. Then you have to write here factors of 12. Factors of 12. So that smallest factor will be 1. Then by 2 it will be division or not. So by 2 it will go 3, 4, 6 and 12. Then you have to write here common factor. Common factors. So which one will be common? 1, 2, then 4. Any other common? No. Then you have to write common here 1, 2 and 4. Common factors equal to 1, 2 and 4. Now we have to find here which is the highest common factor, 1, 2 or 4. So you can easily see 4 is the highest common factor. So you have to write here HCF equal to 4. Okay. So dear students, I hope you understand this. So this way you can solve this whole exercise. Today you have to solve exercise 19 in your fair copy. Okay. Thank you. Have a nice day.